Just wanted to show you that I got wood.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Got this from Bedwood, which is also a joke. Since we don't have an original floor in there, we're able to get these without any holes in them. We got the stainless runners instead of the paintable. Now our destructions. You might have to actually read these. Oh man, they got a lot of words. Boring. Where's the pictures? Alright, so these bed bolts are not conveniently lining up in the middle of a piece of wood like I'd hoped. They're right on the edge, which means not only do they need to go through the wood, they need to go through the edge of the stainless. Truth be known, I'm not used to drilling in wood, and truth be known, it really sucks to drill through stainless. Trying to give myself a little room here to scrooge them around. All the wood is going to have to go in before I put the bed on. And these 4 bolts will have to go down over the top of everything. Still got a lot of work to do here. Alright, big deal. Emblem time. We got our studs in there with some red Loctite. And I got some blue Loctite on the nuts here, so this gun doesn't rattle off. We got our hood latch dialed in, which was a ordeal, of course, but it's working in Pt.5. The emblem even came in Chevy orange, which is what we used on our turbo tubing and bolts on the motor. So it's all matchy-matchy. It had some weight to the front of the hood.
Oh man, that looks good.
That's how good we got the hood to close now. Gotta wipe her down, get those fingerprints off. She's ready to go on a date. And as always, please like and subscribe. I appreciate all the great comments. We haven't really had any negative comments, and I want to thank you all for that. That I find like super amazing. Super amazing. I didn't expect there to be so many positive comments and the lack of negative. So I appreciate that, and keep on watching. I'll keep on filming.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job,